So, some other tips and tricks that I use for the unit circle, other than the SOHCAHTOA to remember things, I use that the radian denominators of 3, we know that the tangent will always be the square root of 3, depending on which quadrant it is in. So here we can see pi over 3, the tangent is square root of 3. It goes all the way around depending if it's positive or negative. The second one I use is corresponding tangents. We can see that here where pi over 4, the tangent is 1, and then right across 5 pi over 4, the tangent is 1. That goes for the whole way around the circle. And then for the third tip, don't forget your negatives. It can change the quadrant which you are in. So when solving either sine, cosine, or tangent, you want to make sure you don't mix them up because it could lead you to a totally different quadrant with a totally different value. Another one is corresponding sine and cosine, but the negatives just switch. So for example, here's negative 1/2 for cosine and square root of 3 over 2 for sine. And directly across from that we have 1/2 and negative square root of 3 over 2. The negative sign just switches right over from x to y. We can see that all throughout. For example, this one is negative square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. Right across, they're both positive since these ones were both negatives. And we can use that all around with all of these values.